with an unboxing of cases that I just got in the mail from AliExpress. Let's get into it. Now I'm just going to cut these to make opening them a lot easier. Simply because then I don't have to be fighting with packaging to be able to get the cases out of the packaging. That I like to call ingenuity and forward thinking. Which, you know, thinking backwards is also called remembering. Fun little fact. Alright, so let's get started. First case I have is a beautiful Hogwarts Houses case. Absolutely stunning, and I love how vibrant the emblem is and the coat of arms there for the Hogwarts houses. Because there are still a lot of Harry Potter fans on there. Heck, I binge watch the movies monthly. Heck, several times a month. Because it is just that awesome of a movie series. Let's get on to the next case. The next case is one that I've actually been really looking forward to getting because it is beautiful. And it's also a pain in the butt to get out of the bubble wrap. And this here is just a beautiful all clear case, which I've been wanting one of these since I'd seen on Manda31409's video. Hers, although has pink on it, though, I just really like the idea of having a clear case that is beautiful and very protective, and yet at the same time there you get to enjoy the glorious beauty there of your wonderful iPhone. And the third case. And all of these I did get from AliExpress, and it's quite honestly like Christmas there when you open up cases there from this company there, because the cases are beautiful. And it's exciting getting stuff in the mail for yourself. This is a pink and black studded case. It is a beautifully designed case. I really love all of the cases there that I got, and they're honestly very gorgeous. Now make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video, subbies. Bye.